Hey guys, today I'm at the Sheraton Vancouver Guildford. This is in Canada, and I have T-Mobile roaming in Canada. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call, text, and browse the web, just to show you guys that it works. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, so here I have two phones set up. They're both on T-Mobile, and they're both roaming on the Bell network. So you can see here, if I scroll down, I see Bell right here. And right now I'm in Surrey, which is actually in British Columbia. So now that we know all of that information, let's go make a test call. So I'm going to call this phone. Right? So, give it some time, and it's going to ring. Alright, I'm going to answer the call. Hey, it's Edward. Woo! Alright, so you can see that's working. There you go, as you can see, the calling functionality is working just as expected. Now let's go on to the next. We're going to text. Alright, moving on to the next test, we're going to do test, and then just like put a bunch of these words right here. And I'm going to send that over. Let's see if we receive it on the other phone. Yep, there we go. So the texting's working. Now the last bit, we're going to do the internet speed test. So we're going to slide right over to our speed test application. So given that we're in Canada, we should be able to get the full 4G LTE speed. And right now I'm on 4G just because my phone is like that, but on her phone she's actually getting LTE. So let's see what it says. We've connected to a server in British Columbia. Let's download. And there we go. See? We're getting some pretty decent speeds. So this would be good enough to stream some video as well, and I think it would be really nice to test that in this video as well. So I'm going to show you YouTube video test. Right, so we're getting 6 megabits down and 1.8 up. That's respectable. I'm going to test it again just to see what kind of speed it's going to pull down again. Alright, it's climbing back to where it's supposed to be, 6 megabits. See, it's pretty good. We're up here in Vancouver, in Canada, roaming and getting the same type of service as we are getting back in the US. And not just that, we're on the Bell network, which is one of the largest in Canada. So we're pretty covered there. So right now I've showed you the texting, the speed test, and calling. So let's go into YouTube and we can play a video just to see how that works. Alright, so let's go right into the channel and let's view that one. Alright, we can even change the quality up to something higher and see how that works. Okay, so right now it's on 144p, but it looks like it's gonna go up, I'm hoping. Yep, and there we go. So we're all streaming, you can see, video's working, everything is working. And we could even go in further. We can browse on Google Chrome, and we can show that that's working. Okay. Alright, you can see it's pretty fast. Once again, all on the Bell network. That's it. Calling, data, and texting all working. That's it. Thank you for watching.